The eufy E20 transforms home cleaning with its innovative design and advanced technology, standing out as the world's first detachable 3-in-1 combo robot vacuum with a deep cleaning system. This game-changing device combines versatility, power, and convenience to tackle any cleaning task with ease. Huge thanks to eufy for providing the sample. Be sure to check out the link in the video description to shop. Now let's dive into its key features and benefits. 3-in-1 detachable design. The E20 effortlessly transitions between robot vacuum, handheld vacuum, and cordless stick vac modes, offering a single solution for all cleaning needs. Whether it's carpets, hard floors, stairs, car interiors, or tight corners, the E20 adapts seamlessly. This flexibility minimizes storage space, eliminates the need for multiple devices, and simplifies cleaning for every home. Auto emptying for all modes. Forget about constant dust cup cleaning. The E20 features auto emptying functionality across all three models, collecting debris into a large 3-liter dust bag. This system provides up to 75 days of maintenance-free cleaning, making it perfect for those with allergies or busy schedules. The fully sealed dust bag also prevents dust leakage, reducing secondary pollution and allergy risks. Powerful suction with AeroTurbo technology. With an impressive 30,000 pascals max suction power, the E20 tackles even the toughest messes, including pet hair, cereal, and debris from deep within carpets and crevices. The vacuum model is smaller than industry competitors, yet maintains superior suction power and efficiency. It's strong enough to lift small objects, ensuring a deep clean on every surface. Advanced AeroTurbo 5-stage filtration system. The E20's filtration system captures dust mites, pollen, and pet dander, providing cleaner air for your home. Its multi-layered system prevents filter clogging, ensuring consistent performance and making it an ideal choice for allergy sufferers. Millimeter level obstacle avoidance. Equipped with a triple laser navigation system, the E20 avoids obstacles as small as 15 millimeters, such as toys, socks, or small furniture legs. Unlike other vacuums, it excels in low light conditions, effortlessly cleaning under furniture and in dark spaces without interruption. Lightning fast charging. Thanks to its fast flash charging technology, the E20 reaches 90% charge in just 2 hours and fully charged in 2.5 hours. This allows it to clean areas up to 162 square meters on a single charge, perfect for large homes or multi-floor spaces. Pro-Detangle comb technology. Say goodbye to hair tangles with the E20's upgraded roller brush. It features stiff bristles and a Pro-Detangle comb that prevents jams and reduces manual maintenance, making it highly effective for cleaning pet hair and carpets. Smart and user-friendly features. The eufy E20 offers smart app control, allowing you to customize cleaning schedules, adjust modes, and set no-go zones with ease. Its multi-floor mapping supports up to 4 floors and 5 maps, ensuring comprehensive home coverage. Safety features like a child lock keep curious kids from interfering, while voice reminders keep you informed of the vacuum status. Additionally, the self-resuming cleaning functionality automatically continues where it left off after recharging, ensuring uninterrupted performance. So why choose the eufy E20? The E20 is more than just a vacuum. It's a smart, efficient, and versatile solution designed to make cleaning effortless. With its industry-first features and user-centric design, it eliminates the hassle of juggling multiple tools while saving you money.